Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to target US audience on TikTok ads. So first you have to open your TikTok application. So in TikTok Ads Manager, just click on Create Campaign and select your advertising objective. So which is the traffic, the conversions, or the app installs depending on your goal. Next step is in the ad group targeting settings, find the location section and select United States. So you can further narrow down to specific states or cities for more precise targeting. Next step is set your audience demographics, including age range, which is 18 to 55. You can also add there the gender and the language, which is English. And you can also add relevant interest categories like shopping, entertainment, or sports to reach your ideal US audience. Next step is check your audience estimation panel to see your estimated reach for US targeting. So the gauge shows whether your audience size is too narrow, optimal, or too broad. Lastly is launch and monitor performance. So launch your campaign and monitor the performance analytics. You can check on the impressions, the clicks, the conversions, and the geographic breakdown to see which US regions perform best. So you can use TikTok Pixel on your website to track conversions from US audiences accurately. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!